As far as reducing my water consumption for week 2, I decided to challenge myself and take a quick shower every morning throughout the week, and it was pretty easy because I was able to get into a habit of it. Like I said last week in my last lifestyle project, I'm known for taking long showers between like 10 to 15 minutes. So I made it a point every day in my week 2 to take anywhere between a 3 to 5 minute shower, basically under a 5-minute shower. And after doing some research online, I found that the average household shower faucet has a average flow rate of 2.1 gallons per minute. By reducing my shower time from 10 to 15 minutes to 3 to 5 minutes, in one day, I was able to save 14.7 to 21 gallons of water in that range. And by doing that 7 days a week, all throughout last week, every day taking a quicker shower, I was able to save a total of anywhere between 103 gallons to 147 gallons last week. It felt really good to challenge myself by taking quick showers all week last week. Um, it wasn't too bad. I've noticed that in these last 2 weeks, I've developed good habits and gotten to the routine of uh, doing things such as taking these quick showers, and it's honestly helped me a lot. And it makes me feel good about myself knowing that I'm not wasting nearly as much water as I used to be.